friends, in this video we will see the problems which have parameters like load, effort, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency. Let us get started with this question. Find the efficiency for a certain machine if velocity ratio is 25. An effort of 56.43 Newton lifts a load of 900 Newton. This is the question we have. I'll start with the data. It is given, find the efficiency. We have to find efficiency for a certain machine if VR is 25. Next, an effort of 56.43 Newton lifts a load of 900 Newton. So this problem is really simple. We need to calculate only efficiency here. So I'll write down solution. Since efficiency of a simple machine is given by efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio. I'll keep this as equation number 1. Now I will get mechanical advantage, velocity ratio is given, so efficiency can be calculated. I'll say that therefore mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. Load is given in the problem as 900, effort is 56.43. so from this MA value comes out to be, it is 15.95. Now I know mechanical advantage, velocity ratio is given as 25. So I'll say that put MA and VR in equation number 1. So therefore efficiency will be equal to MA is 15.95, VR is 25. I'll multiply them by 100 to get the answer of efficiency in terms of percentage. So therefore efficiency comes out to be 63.8%. So if we see in this question, they had told us to calculate efficiency, and with the calculation of efficiency we complete the problem.